down in time.
Look it, look it, look it. Why are you shaking your head? What? What's the problem? Why you slam the door? Why you slamming the door? What's the problem? Why you stressed? Huh?
What's going on?
What? Why are you standing there acting like you're critiquing something and something's wrong?
He missed the spot.
He missed the spot. It's not finished. You waiting for him to come back in?
Yeah, I just got a few words for him.
Okay. What you gonna say?
What's going on right here?
What's going on right where? Right where? Right where? Right there? I don't know. Here he comes.
What's wrong?
He just be laughing at her. I cannot. I cannot. What are you doing? She is too freaking funny. Up there pointing, trying to tell somebody what to do. What you point? What you're pointing, but you're not saying nothing. You just pointing at random stuff. He know what he doing. He know what he doing. Oh gosh, let me make these cinnamon rolls. Get them out the refrigerator, little girl. Jesus Christ, this is.
I think you might have to buy some more.
Get the brown sugars, little girl. Oh gosh, y'all just got done zesting 9 lemons and putting it in sugar. Putting it in sugar and squeezing all of the lemon juice to make lemonade for this big old container to sit on the counter. And then clean up the kitchen. Well, she cleaned the pots that I cooked in, but I cleaned everything else because I had a lot of bowls. I had to blanch the lemon to get the wax off and all that other stuff. But I see it. Tell me something. Keep doing this. Like, I see it. I'm going to get to it. Just get the pan out for me. Get the pan out. At least get the stuff. Look, she getting everything. Why don't you just do it? It's easy. Don't be looking at me out the side of your face. I can't with her. Come, somebody come get her. Come get her, y'all. Come get her. I can't. Come get her. Somebody come get her, please. Please. I cannot. You gonna do it? What if I walk you through it?
Instructions are too much for me.
Instructions are too much. What if I walk you through it?
Why can't you walk through it and I stand here?
Tell me, what you say?
So why can't you walk through it and I just stand here?
I walk through it and you just stand. I can't. Okay, let me make these cinnamon rolls out. I'll talk to y'all next clip. So he'll be done in a few minutes and I'm gonna record that. But this is gonna be a separate video because Naya just be doing too much.